Today let's introduce our display showbox mini magnetic track lighting system. This is a sample box. Sample box includes the check reel, power collector and all the accessories, L collector, corner collector, and different lamps, neon light, wall wash, gear light, spotlight. Okay, let's see how it works. The power connector here to keep the electrical on. Okay, here is the end caps. Straight connector. X connector. L connector. T connector. Corner connector. Yeah, corner cable connector. Corner cable connector. Spotlight or washer light. One is for lens, one is milk cable for floor beam angle. Let's compare. Let's compare. This one is float beam angle. Let's see the gear light. And the float light. Okay, perfect.